All right, we just left the Cowan yard sale, so to benefit the Cowan Railroad Museum that we're sitting in front of here. It was an interesting yard sale. Tons of stuff. I mean, 2 buildings worth of stuff donated from people all over the community, I
Everywhere.
guess.
I think there's a thrift store that went out of business in this town.
Yeah.
Or in Deckard, anyways, the next town over. And I think based on the tags, I think a lot of that stuff got donated too.
Yeah, because some of it had tags with prices on it, and they said
just ignore them.
The rule was just make us a donation. So, you know, that was really what the rule was. Here comes the police. Okay. And,
I think we'll be okay.
But maybe not. So, be nice to the nice officer. Yeah, so anyway, but yeah, it was name your own price.
Pretty much.
Yeah, so they basically, whatever you wanted to pay, you could pay. And so we paid, I think,
$20.
$20 for
$20 donation.
6 items, right? Five items.
$4 an item.
Okay. So yeah, so anyway, the first item we got is this. This was interesting.
Is like a planter. I think these are considered a planter, or they're called a console bowl, maybe. This is Roseville, China. You know, so they... I really don't know a lot about Roseville, but it's probably $20-$25.
Yeah.
You know.
If you know anything about it, put it in the comments.
Yeah. You know, some Roseville can be really expensive. You know, this is probably maybe not the best quality Roseville. I don't know how it works.
Okay.
And then this
was interesting. This was
it's like a jacket.
Really heavy kind of jacket, but it's a old polo, right?
Yep, Polo Ralph Lauren. And it's really heavy cotton. It's really nice.
Cool.
Men's medium. You know,
we got that.
So they got
See, this is what I mean. They had the prices on them like this, and they wanted, so whoever's selling this wanted $20 for it.
Yeah.
So we paid for the whole thing here.
And they just didn't go through and pull off all that pricing and all that stuff. So.
And we got this.
And that is a Woolrich, just a women's vest. Yeah. You know, corduroy. Yeah. You know, big corduroy. So yeah, it was.
Had that for $5 at this previous store.
Yeah.
So
I paid $4, you know, but just because it was nice, you know, and it'll fit me.
This is my sweater.
2 pairs of shoes.
There's a
pair of Nikes. I think they call them Air Force shoes or something, but they're brand new.
Zippers and brand new. Got the cardboard still on.
Yeah, so those
and
this pair of shoes, these were pretty much new as well, and more of a European shoe. So
what are they?
They're called GOX.
GOX. Okay.
Yeah. So
that was our haul there for
$20,
and that's it.
And you know, we asked them, you know, would you take $20? And they were like, "Oh my gosh, that's more than generous."
I think we overpaid.
So I guess we overpaid.
That's okay.
That's all right.
It's for a good cause, like I say.
We paid what we figured we'd pay at Goodwill, you know. And
to be fair with I really hate yard sales like that, though, because I hate having to come up with my own price. I feel either like I'm paying too much or not paying enough.
Yeah, I guess he expected us to pay like $1 an item or something, you know. But,
so anyway, alrighty. Well, on to the next place.
cargo.
And that $20 we spent better be like bring us a lot of money, because our van is limping home. It will not shift gears right now. So I'm driving at about 40 miles an hour and 3,000 RPMs to slow as it'll go, and got hazard lights on to try to keep people from killing us on the road here. Well, you can only go about 40 miles an hour, so anyway. But
yeah.
so it looks like we might be in the market for a new van soon. And a transmission repair guy. I think he's we got a lead on that too, so hopefully we'll see how much it's going to cost to fix it. But it's not our primary vehicle, luckily. It's our our thrifting vehicle, but
it's
our
still
long haul trip vehicle.
It's still a 2017 van.
Yeah, it's really too new to be doing this. But so anyway, so here we go. So anyway, we thought we'd let you know we're going to limp home.
There's where
there it is. Yeah,
there's
Manchester transmission.
That's where we're going to go.
Alrighty.
Unbelievable.
Well, we'll limp it in there. It didn't look like he was open. Was he really? Okay.
Yeah.
Well,
maybe we'll see if they're open today.
Yeah. Guess
I
we can do that. I don't know if we should turn around and go there now, or
I'll look it up online. He might be just there working on his own vehicle.
Probably take it that way. We can.
Let me see if he's open.
You can follow me home.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. So anyway, but we're So we're slowly trekking home, and I think our thrifting day is over right now until we get another vehicle. Probably have to get Marie's Subaru or the FJ or something. So anyway, wish us luck.
Yeah.
And if you could subscribe to the channel, that would really help us out, and hit that thumbs up, leave a comment, and that would be great. Thanks.